In this video, I'm going to take you through the draw, tap and ribbon. In the previous videos, we've already looked at the home tap and ribbon and the insect tap and ribbon. In this video, our main focus is going to be on the draw, tap and draw ribbon. Just like the insect and the home ribbon, the draw ribbon is also divided into groups. We have the drawing tools groups, we have the stencils group, we have the edit group, we have the convert group, we have the insert group, we have the replay group, and then we also have the help group. In this video, we are going to cover everything you need to know about the draw ribbon. The first one we have in the drawing tools group is the selector, and this is used to select objects, that's including inks and then shapes and text areas. And this is also another selector that is used to select ink by drawing a shape. And then we also have the eraser here, we have the pencil, that's indigo, we also have the we have the pen, which is indigo, and we also have the pen green, we have the pencil here, which is black, and we have the highlighter here, which is also set to black. Now the colors here depends on the color you selected. We will see how we will do that in a bit. And then, for example, if I wanted to draw with a pen, what I need to do is to just click or select this, and this down arrow pops up. Then if I click on the arrow, now we are going to have these options here, and here we can select the thickness of our pen, so by either increasing it or decreasing it. So to decrease it, we are just using the minus icon here to decrease it, and you see that it has been decreased. Or to also increase it, we also have the plus icon here that we can use to increase the thickness. We can also just select it by clicking on the thickness here. And to the recent colors, these are recent colors we've used with the pen, and then we'll have colors here that we can also choose from. Now notice if I go down, we have the more colors option. If I click on it, we are going to have this window pop up here, and then here on the custom tab we can select different formats. We have the RGB, and we have and you see the colors right here, and we also have the hex, that's the hexadecimals. And if I click on this down arrow, we also have the HSL here that we can also select, and you see the hue, the saturated, and the this one too also here. Now I do not want to use any of these colors, I will just close it. Then if I go back and click and go to select this thickness here, which is 3.5 millimeters, now I can go to my document and start drawing. So I don't know how to draw, I'll just try to draw anything reasonable. Okay, I don't know what I'm drawing, but I know I'm drawing something good. This is a cap, so this is how we can do that. And then the same thing, we can go to the pencil, the pen, and we have the same way we can use to change the thickness and the colors. So let's change this color to something like this. Good. And then that is the color is sky blue. So let's draw another object right here. Okay, so now I want to clean this part, and this is where the eraser comes in. So I click on the eraser, and again we have the down arrow. If I click on it, we also have the ability to change the thickness of the eraser. So we change it to this, and then we can clean our drawing here. We can clean it. You click and drop. Now if I go back and click on the arrow again and go down, we can also change the type of the eraser. This, we have the eraser and we have the point eraser. If I select the point eraser, this is how it's going to look like, right? Good. So next is the pencil. So with the pencil, we can also click on it, change the thickness and the color of the pencil we want to use. So let's increase the thickness, and now let's use this and try to draw anything here. Next is the highlighter, and the highlighter has been set to black. Let's change the color. Click on this arrow and make it yellow. Now if we click on it, we can just use to highlight anything on our document here or on our drawing. Up next is the ruler. If I click on the ruler, now we have the ruler appeared here, and we can use it to rule a straight line on your document. Now you can click and drag the ruler and then place it to where you want it to appear, and now you have anything. Now next we have is the background format. With the background format, if I click on this, I have the rule lines and the grid lines. So to select the grid lines or the rule lines, just click on any of your preferences and you have the you have it there. So if I go back, I can change it to this. I can also change it to grid, change it to grid again, and we even have the options to make it apply to full page or not full page. So if I deselect this one, it's not going to be on full page, and we can even change the page color of it to this, and you see how the page color has been changed. So let's take it back to the default page color, and now we move to the convert group. And in the convert group, what this allows us to do is to just allow us to ink math, to write mathematical equations. So if I click on it, I can just say 2 raised to the power 2 plus x is okay, that is, no, I want x, not k. So I'm gonna clean this and write, no, is x. Good. Greater than or less than 5. Okay, so that is it. I think as this one is not what I want, and then I do this. Good. So this is inking mathematical or inking mathematical equation. So just click insert to insert that, and it is right here. Now next is the insert group. So we can insert canvas. So we insert it, then we can draw anything we want here on the canvas. Okay, all right, that is it. And next we have the ink replay. So if I click on this button, it's going to play everything that we've done on our document. So you look at that, it is showing everything step by step. What we did is gonna draw everything. Yeah. Look at that. So I'm gonna stop that. You've already seen how it is. And finally, this is the help. If I click on it, it's gonna take you online and give you some help if you need. And that is it for this video. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and share this video for more content like this.